Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. The summer is over, fall is here, so why not make a pie? It's pie season after all. This time we're gonna make a cherry pie. Super delicious and everyone will like it. So, let's start. For the crust we need salt, water, flour, apple cider vinegar, sugar and butter. In a large bowl add the flour along with the sugar, salt and the butter. Go in with your hands and rub the butter into the flour. Keep doing this until the mixture looks like big clumps of sand. Add the apple cider vinegar and a tablespoon of cold water and mix everything together until it sticks together. Don't overmix it. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it until it becomes firm. For the filling we need cherries, cinnamon, sugar, vanilla, lemon juice and corn flour. In the pan add all of the cherries, along with the sugar, cinnamon, corn flour, vanilla and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Mix everything together and don't forget to add a good pinch of salt as well. Keep this on the heat for about 15 minutes until everything is thickened up. After 15 minutes remove it from the heat and refrigerate it until cold. Roll out half of the cooled down dough. I like to turn the cake tin so it can punch out the bottom. With the remaining dough I prepare the sides of the cake tin. Now roll out the other half of the dough for the top. Cut 1-inch strips for the dough and let this cool down in the fridge once again. Grab the cooled down dough from the cake tin and add some breadcrumbs on the bottom. You can skip this step, but it's really helpful absorbing the cherry liquid. Add the cherry filling and spread it out evenly. Now mix a nice lattice pattern on the top of the filling with the strips of dough. Before it goes into the oven, brush the top with whisked up egg and sprinkle over some sugar. Bake it for 25 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius and after the 25 minutes lower your temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for another 50 to 60 minutes. If the top browns too fast, you can always add aluminium foil to protect the top. Let the pie cool down completely before cutting into it. And enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the bell and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I see you in the next one.